Hi, this is Adam Taylor with the ITS group. This is the last video we'll need to be doing, which is to test the dynamic class lists, make sure everything's working, and just ensure. Now, we did set the dynamic class list way back about 20 videos ago when we set up the group policy. That allowed us to configure a network location to put our CSV files into for the MIS output, which determines which students are in which classes at which times. So by comparison, we've got our teacher console set up. It's a fixed PC. It's looking at other fixed PCs, which we can see in the top right here. And that's all automatic. So as soon as these machines load up, they're going to be represented there. You won't need to do anything as a teacher. But if you're not in a static environment, for example, the teacher has a laptop they take from room to room, or the students use a trolley of laptops, or the students use one-to-one iPads, or one-to-one Chromebooks, or anything along those lines, then what we'll do is we can't use the channels because there's too much dynamism and things change. So what we use instead is class lists. So first things first, I just want to get my 3 mobile devices loaded up and ready. So the Chromebook's already running from the last video. We'll just load the student. There we go. And we'll just grab the iPad and load that up as well. There we go. So as a teacher, to use the class lists, I just need to go to the class list icon, go to load dynamic class list, and here we can see it's already found the class and all of the devices within it. So in this period it's Year 11 ICT, just need to click on the group, hit load, and all the devices will buzz as they get brought in, and there they all are. So we have them, and we can now use them as we would normally. We can move them around the room if we want to reflect the layout a bit better. And our mobile classroom is complete. So that's it. At the end of the class, you can just go to class lists and dismiss. Now I'll kick them all out. And there's just one final test as a little bit of fun. Just going to test our custom blank screens as well. So we'll do the tech console first. Locks down the whole fleet, locked by system admin. Then pop that back. Grab the eSafety console. There we go, locked by safeguarding. And then if we just quickly grab the class list from memory, there we go, and we can hit them with a blank screen as well for good measure. There we go, unblocked. That's it, that is the LanSchool installation with no stone unturned. Thank you very, very much for persevering all the way through. I hope you found this series useful. In the next video, I will be torturing myself by going through the whole process again, but much, much faster in a single run. And then after that, much, much, much faster in a speed run. So that's something to look forward to. Thank you very much. If you do have any questions, drop us a comment, leave us a like, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.